So why do you want to meet us today?
Yes, why?
Actually, I'm thought of building a company. What do you guys think about it?
Wow, that's cool. So what kind of company you plan to create?
That's the reason why I invite you guys here, because I want to hear your opinions about this.
I see. What if you try with a clothing brand maybe?
Oh, selling stuff?
Yeah.
That's a pretty good idea.
Yes, you should think about it.
I will.
And once you have figured it out, tell us about that.
Will do.
Okay, let's go for lunch.
Let's go.
There is no specific definition of a promoter in the Act. According to the case Cross versus Grant, a promoter can be defined as a person who undertakes to form a company. However, people who carry out their professional duty and who act purely in a professional capacity are not necessarily a promoter.
Go.
Certain people are prohibited from being a promoters under Section 199 subsection 1. Lastly, under Section 14 subsection 1, a promoter is required to file to the registrar a statement before the incorporation of a company. Guys, I have a good news.
What is it?
I registered my company.
Oh!
Wow.
What's the good news to hear from you?
That's amazing. So what's your company about?
The company that I'm promoting is on trending bicycles. So I would like to appoint both of you as the directors of the company. So what do you guys think about it?
That's a good offer. I think I might accept that because I've been dreaming to be one as well. But what about you, Gia?
Oh, same goes to me. As we both know that being a director is quite tough, but I will give it a try.
So here's the agreement.
So where are we going to now?
I'm going to show you your business premise.
Okay.
So this is your business premise.
Quite big.
A promoter is not an agent nor a trustee of the company. However, a promoter is said to have a fiduciary relation towards the company. Therefore, there are three duties of a promoter towards the company. Firstly, a promoter has a duty to not make any secret profit out of the promotion without any adequate disclosure. Secondly, a promoter must disclose any commission or payment he received upon the transfer of property. Thirdly, when the promoter contracts as vendor or purchaser, the fact that he is a contractor must be disclosed.
Hello? Atira, I'm already here. Where are you? Atira? Is that you? Atira?
Yeah, I'm here. Okay.
Hey, hi Atira.
Hi.
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
No, it's okay. I also just a rush here.
I've been stuck in the traffic jam.
Oh, I see.
Okay, so shall we start our discussion right now?
Sure.
Sure, alright. What do you have to offer me?
As you can see, Sophia, this is our limited edition, the one that we have in store right now.
Alright. So, how much is the price per unit for this type of bicycle?
This bicycle is around 8,000.
8,000 per unit?
Yes.
Well, that is quite pricey. I've decided that I want to buy the bicycle that you offer to me.
So since you have agreed, so this is the agreement letter. Haha, this lazy doesn't even know she's been tricked by me.
Finally, can't wait to start my business.
Hi Tia.
Hi Sophia.
Are you going somewhere?
Yeah, I just want to go to cafe. Why?
Because I have something to discuss with you.
Oh, okay, sure.
Actually, Jia, the reasons why I want to meet you today is because I want to ask you about some advices about my running company. So basically, a few days ago, I just entered a contract with a company that cost me 200,000.
What contract?
The contract that I ordered from your company for 25 units of limited edition bicycle.
Can I know the name of the person you're dealing with?
Oh yeah, she's a girl of course. And then if I'm not mistaken, her name is Atira.
Atira? What is this, Atira? What have you been doing behind my back? You have been lying to the company.
What do you mean I lie? I do it on behalf of the company.
You didn't disclose the profit of the company. Hey, I will sue you.
Go ahead and sue me. We'll see who wins.
Okay.
Everyone, please be seated. Today, the court will be discussed on Smart Right Berhad versus Atira. Smart Right Berhad may be begin.
Your Honor, as we all know that a promoter has a fiduciary relation towards a company. But in this case, the promoter has breached the fiduciary duty by making a secret profit.
Do you admit the accusation made towards you?
No, Your Honor. All the acquisitions that have been made by Smart Berhad are all lies.
But the evidence has been given to you, Your Honor.
Okay, everyone, please be calm down. I will look into this agreement.
There are three remedies available where a promoter has breached his fiduciary duty. The first one is rescission of a contract, where a promoter has acted in a breach of his fiduciary duty by selling his own property to the company and failing to disclose the transaction, and the company may bring a rescission to the contract and to recover the purchase price from the promoter. Means the company must retain the property and the promoter must retain the profit he gained. However, the company cannot rescind the contract under three situations. The first one, after getting the true facts and the company affirms the contract, or the parties cannot be restored to the original position, or an innocent party has acquired the rights to the property. The second one is the recovery of promoter's secret profit. It is an alternative when the company affirms or rescission of the contract is impossible, so the company can claim the secret profit from the promoter as a basis on trust principle. Okay, the third one is damages. A company also has a remedy in the form of damages against promoter for breach of his fiduciary duty. However, the company must have a proof that it has suffered loss. The company may sue for damages for breach of his fiduciary duties, fraudulent mispresentation, deficit, or negligence.
Let's look to the cases and consider all the possible remedies. Since the property has been transferred to the third party, which is provide company, thus Smart Right Berhad could not rescind the contract. So, court has been decided that Atira will have to recover all the secret profit made towards Smart Right Berhad. The court dismissed. Pre-incorporation is a contract made on behalf of a company before it is incorporated. Before incorporation, the company is not an artificial legal person or separate legal entity. So it has no right to sue or to be sued and may not buy and hold property on its own name. So there is two provision of pre-incorporation contract, which is common law and Section 65 of Contract Act 2016. Okay, so in the common law, the legal status of pre-incorporation is not valid, cannot be ratified, and adopts the benefit of the contract which has been made. So the effect of under this law is the outsider will be suffer because it is not valid and not enforceable to the court. So the outsider cannot claim the price of the goods and sue the promoters for personal liability. Let's proceed to Malaysian law position. Under Malaysian law, the legal status of pre-incorporation can be ratified and company bound by the contract after the ratification. In conclusion is, under Malaysian law, the outsider has secured when make the contract in the company in the good faith. This is because in pre-incorporation under Malaysian law can be ratified. So the outsider can claim the price of goods and can sue the promoter for personal liable and for the breach of duty.
Based on the storyline or the movie that has been shown previously, it has been proven that the promoter has fallen into guilty. This is due to the breach of duty as a promoter, which what she did was by making a secret profit out of the promotions without providing any disclosure. As you know, a promoter is a person who in charge or undertakes in setting up a company and just to make sure that it just get going. In this case, the promoter is affecting the sales of the company itself, which is Small Right Berhad, that sells bicycle to the company. The disclosure must be full, frank and explicit, or at least contain any information regarding the interest of the promoters and also contains all material facts, or otherwise it can be defective and also lose legal force.